Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, Jamaica's construction industry grew by 1.4%. That's an estimate coming from the Planning Institute of Jamaica. Now, Director General of the PIOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, says the industry's performance in the third quarter of last year reflected an increase in the supply of cement and asphalt.
Higher real sales from firms that operate within the construction industry. Further growth was constrained by a 27.8% decline in housing starts by the NHT, as well as a 2.4% decrease in the value of mortgages distributed by the NHT. 2, reduced disbursement from JPS, which dispersed $4.8 billion, down from $4.9 billion in the corresponding quarter of 2022. Expenditure during the quarter was for construction and installation activities related to the transmission and distribution of power.
Of course, these are estimates, and Statin will have the confirmed figures in a matter of weeks. Now, some news coming from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica. Producers of goods in the manufacturing industry faced higher average costs for the 12 months up to January this year. Statin says the producer price index moved up by 2% for the category over the year. Now, the increase was mainly attributable to a 1.7% upward movement in costs associated with the major group, food, beverages, and tobacco, and a 4.2% increase in the cost of refined petroleum products. Compared to December 2023, that's month over month, there was, however, a 0.1% average decline in costs to manufacturers. Statin says a 1.2% drop in the cost of refined petroleum products or fuels influenced the movement. The decline was, however, tempered by a 0.2% rise in the cost of food, beverages, and tobacco. Trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $156.78. The Canadian is going for $115.41. $199.48 is the going rate for the pound, while the euro is selling for an average $172. The JSE index gained 229 points today, while the junior market index increased by 14 points. Among the 49 winners were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, GMB Group 7.25% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican dollar shares, and Sagicor Select Funds Financial. The 44 losers included Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Palace Amusement Company, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Blue Power Group, and Siboney Group. 19 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.